Hello, I am going to show you how to add and delete people on YouTube. Go over to YouTube and you're going to be in your profile. The easiest way I find to get to the back end is to hit this create button. That'll take you to the creator studio. And then you just click on upload video. We're not going to upload a video, but it's going to take us to where we want to go. X out of there. And then along the left-hand side, you're going to go down to settings. Inside settings, you're going to go over to permission. And this is where you'll take out and remove people. You can invite people this way, and you would add their email. And then you could select access, and you could give managers the biggest one, and then the editor. And yeah, if somebody's doing reporting for you and you take them off of here as a manager or editor, it could break your report, just so you know that. But so that's how you would add someone. They would get an invite in their email. And how you would remove someone, you just click and remove access at the very bottom and then remove access. Remember, you have to leave me as an editor if you want to see our reports still. So we're connected on YouTube and with the Looker Studio from Google. And so we could remove people as we're finish the program. I'm just going to remove our social media access so she can't do more. And as we're all done, there we go. And then it's showing that there's no access. And then you have to hit and then to continue, you need to confirm it's really you. And they'll send me, they're just making sure it's me. And they're going to send me a code and make me confirm it's me, sign in. And on the app, we're going to get a notification. We're going to open it up on our phone. And we're going to say it's us, and then we're going to put in the number. And that is how we do that. That is how you add and remove people from your YouTube account.